Welcome back, mathematicians. We are on Fact Fluency, and we are doing 7's this week. For this activity, you will need a baggie of these different task cards, and you will need a recording sheet. Now, you'll notice that there are quite a lot of spaces here. There are 24 questions on this paper, so let's get started. First, you'll see that the top of my paper is kind of cut off, so if you want to put your name on the side here so that your teacher can tell whose it is, that would be the best. Just put it right at the top so that we know who this paper belongs to. And then you're going to work through your bag. Now, there are 24 cards in here, and you're just going to go ahead and pick one out. This one is card number 2. The number will be on the bottom corner for you. So each time you open the bag and grab a card, it will tell you exactly which one you're looking for. So for number 2, I go to square number 2 on my recording sheet, and it says, show your work. Write an answer sentence. So I have a couple of steps for this problem. The problem says there are 7 players on each baseball team. If there are 4 teams, how many players are there in all? So here I'm going to write out my work and solve the problem. And then down here I'm going to write my answer in a sentence. Once I'm done, I put that card aside and I go back to my baggie and pull out another card. And I keep going through the whole process. This is card number 24. So now I'm going to open up and go all the way to the end to box number 24. This one says, draw an array to represent these 2 equations. 7 times 8 equals 56, and 8 times 7 equals 56. So I'll need to draw 2 arrays, one for each of these equations. Once I've done that, you know what to do. I'm going to go back to my bag and get a new card. This is card number 1. So back to the front of my paper. And it says, write 2 multiplication equations that are represented by this array. I think you guys get the idea at this point. I don't need to show you any more cards. What you'll notice is that each of the squares on your recording sheet matches the cards in your baggie. If you have any questions, check with 3 friends from your math group before you go to your teacher's back table. See if you can't solve this problem on your own first. If you do run into any troubles and you guys can't seem to solve it, then you go ahead and ask for help. Good luck, and I hope to see some great stuff.